Can you believe how incredibly simple that meal was? I mean, from this time we started to the time it was on the table, 10 minutes. Flavorful, simple, yet delicious. I can see now why my family asks for this meal at least once a week. We hope you enjoy it, and if you find this video helpful, and don't forget to check out the next video, which is making chicken salad. So easy, so delicious. It's a recipe everybody wants, no matter where we take it. And thanks for stopping by Everyday Eats with Ellen.